رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم. So we are going to do the last session of level 2. Today will be the revision, and as announced last week that there will be a quiz tomorrow. So we will do a revision of level 2 first in a main session, and then we will go for breakout room. And this is a good chance for us to have to grasp all these level in our fingertips, so that it will help us while we translate the Quran and ayah and understand it. So first of all, just if I give the overview of this, we always start whenever there is a level 2, there are chapters. The chapter names of Bab Ajwaf, Bab Mithal, uh, and then Bab Mudaf, and then Bab Naqis. Only 4 chapters are there. So uh, the chapter names are very important. We have to remember them with chapter name. For example, Ajwaf. Ajwaf means central. And here, what is the central? All the words in this case, they have the central letter, that is alif. And one more thing, that these alif, waw and ya, in Arabic we say them arufe illa. Illa is from alil. They are weak letters because sometimes they change their shape, they don't retain, they change, sometimes they disappear. So Bab Ajwaf, we have to remember there are 3 cases. Alif remains alif, alif changes to ya, and alif changes to waw. So all cases related to them, they will be there. Second is Bab Mithal. Mithal means same. What is same? All the words in this case start with the similar letter, same letter, and that is waw. And there are 3 cases. The cases are, it is on the zabar zabar, wahaba yahabu, wajada yajidu, zabar zer, waritha yarithu, zer zer. And there is one special case, waqa, he saved, waqa yaqi, and qi is amr for this. So there is Bab Mithal, there are 3 cases. So these are the representative words in every chapter, as we saw in level 1 also, that there are representative word is very important. So we have to fit all others related word exactly on this model word or representative word of that case. So Bab Misal have 3 cases. Then we have Bab Mudaf. Bab Mudaf have 3 cases. Mudaf mean double. What is double here? The last letter, if we see, there is a shadda on in every word, the last letter, which is actually a second letter, it has shadda. Shadda, we know that that means double. We have to pronounce it double. So there is a double word here. So there are 3 cases again. One is fatha fatha, massa ya massu, dalla ya dillu, zanna ya zunnu. And then we have Bab Naqis. Bab Naqis, we have seen that there are 4 cases. Sa'a yasa'a. Sa'a, this ya maksura, there is no haraka on this. It is used to strike the last word. Sa'a yasa'a, fatha fatha. And then hada yahdi, fatha kasra. Da'a yad'u, fatha damma. And then we have 4th case, khashiya yakhsha, kasra fatha. Here, if you see sa'a, the plural will be sa'aw. Similarly, hada, hadaw, da'a, da'aw. Here, sa'a, sa'aw, sa'aita, hada, hadaw, hadaita. In this case, da'a, 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 da'aw, and then we have da'awta. In this case, here, hadaita, sa'aita, da'awta here. This is Zer Zabar. Here we have Zer. When there is a Zer, plural will be Dhamma. Khashiya, Khashu. And when there is Fatha, plural is same. Hada, Hadaw. Sa'a, Sa'aw. Da'a, Da'aw. But here in this case, Khashiya, Khashu. Pesh. Khashiya, Khashu. So there are 4 cases. Sa'a is Yasa, Hada, Yahdi, Da'a, Yad'u, Khashiya, Yakhsha. So if we just do the table, so I would go to Ijaz Bhai. Ijaz Bhai there? Yes.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Can you do the complete table for Hafa?
Khafa, khafu, khifta, khiftum, khiftu, khifna. Yakhafu, yakhafuna, takhafu, takhafuna. Akhafu, nakhafu. Khaf, la takhaf. Khafu, la takhafu. Khaif, khaifun, khaifin. Makhuf, makhufun, makhufin. Khawf.
Sara,
Sara, saru, sirta, sirtum, sirna. Yasiru, yasiruna, tasiru, tasiruna, asiru, nasiru. Sir, la tasir. Siru, la tasiru. Sair, sairun, sairin. Masirun, masirun, masirin. Sair. قال قال قالوا قلت قلتم قلت قلنا يقول يقولون تقول تقولون أقول نقول قل لا تقل قولوا لا تقولوا قائل قائلون قائلين مقول مقولون مقولين قول.
there is one case, special case, that is Mata Yamutu. Actually, it should fit on Qala Yakulu, but there is one reason that it is Mata. Can you do the Madi?
مات ماتوا مت
Mitta.
مت
That's why it is different from this. This is Qulta, Qultum, Qultu, but this is Mata, Matu,
مت
Mittum.
متم متوا متنا.
This is the only reason, because that we put it in as a special case. Thank you, Ijaz bhai. Ibrahim, can you please do the Bab Mithal?
So Bab Misal, the name of chapter matters. So the name Misal means same, and the same thing in all the cases is the wow. Every case or every word in this chapter has a wow at the beginning. So there are total 3 cases. The first case is Wahaba Yahabu, Fatha Fatha. Wahaba means granted. Then second case is Wajda Yajidu, Fatha Kasra. Wajda means he found. And the third case is Waritha Yarithu, Kasra Kasra. Waritha means he inherited.
Okay. Wahaba means,
He granted.
can you please do the Madi for Wahaba with translation?
Wahaba, he granted. Wahabu, they granted. Wahabta, you granted. Wahabtum, you all granted. Wahabtu, I granted. Wahabna, we granted.
So Wahabna meanings,
We granted.
and if it is Wahabana,
He granted us.
and if it is he granted him,
Wahabahu,
he granted them,
Wahabahum,
he granted you,
Wahabaka,
Wahabaka, he granted you all.
Wahabakum,
And Wahabna means,
we granted.
and Wahabana.
He granted us.
Okay. Ibrahim, can you please do the Ba Mudaf? Just explain here.
Okay, about Mudaf, 3 cases. Mudaf means doubled, so every case's second letter is doubled. So the first case is Massa Yamassu, Fatha Fatha. Massa means he touched. Second is Dalla Yabdillu, Fatha Kasra. Dalla means he went astray. The third case is Vanna Yabunnu, Fatha Dhamma. Vanna means he thought.
Okay, Massa means,
He touched.
what is the fa'il for Massa?
Mass.
And what is Amr for Massa?
Imsas or Massa.
And what is plural for Yamassu?
Yamassuna.
And what is second degree? You? Second person.
Tamassu.
Tamassu, tamassun. And what about Dalla? What is fa'il?
Dal.
What is the plural of Dal?
Dalun and Dalin.
Why it has no maf'ul?
Because Dhalla, he went astray by himself.
By himself, because there. And the last case is Zanna.
Yabunu.
Yeah, Zanna. Thank you, Ibrahim. Ashar Bhai, would you please just Bab Naqis explain?
Assalamu
Walaikum assalam.
Bab Naqis has 4 cases. Sa'a, Yasa'a, Sa'a, Sa'au, Sa'aita, Sa'aitum, Sa'aitu, Sa'aina. Yas'a, Yas'auna, Tas'a, Tas'auna, As'a, Nas'a. Is'a, La Tas'a. Is'au, La Tas'au. Sa'in, Sa'un, Sa'in, Mas'iyun, Mas'iyun, Mas'iyin, Sa'yun.
Okay. What is the meaning of La Tas'a?
La Tas'a means don't struggle.
And if what is the plural of La Tas'a? La Tas'a mean don't struggle. And if it is you all don't struggle, I think Tanjeen, I think there is some problem with it. La Tas'a, what is the plural?
لا تسعى لا تسعوا
And plural of Is'a?
اسعوا
And plural of Sa'in?
ساعين ساعون ساعين
Okay, what is the second case of Bab Naqis?
هذا يهدي
What is the plural of Yahdi?
يهديون
Yah?
يهدي يهدون
Yahduna. Can you please do complete Yahdi, Yahduna?
يهدي يهدون تهدي تهدون أهدي نهدي.
Okay. And you, can you please do the complete Hada, Madi?
هذا هدوا هديت هديتم هديتو هدينا.
And do the Madi for this, Da'a.
دعا دعوا دعوت دعوتم دعوتو دعونا.
And what is Amr for Da'a?
أدعو
Ad'u?
أدعو I meant. Just a
And-
slip of the tongue.
Okay. Good. What about Khashia, plural?
خشيو خشو
Khashum. Can you please do the Madi for Khashia?
خشيا خشو خشيتا خشيتم خشيتو خشينا.
Ashina. So we have to, this is just an overall summary for level 2 we did. So we have to fit the words and we have to little think over it. I think we have to go for breakout room so that we have more chance for practice. Everybody should get a chance for this. Over to you, Doctor.
Only 13 minutes.
Yeah, no problem. You will have time in the practice session, inshallah.